watching our digital channel RFAQK. RFAQK is a pioneer maker of cake decorating supplies. In this video, I'm very excited to show you how to make a classic vanilla cake. Let's level up your cake game. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 180 gram butter, 2.5 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla essence, 1.5 cup of milk, and 6 eggs. In a large bowl, combine all the dry ingredients and out them aside. Start beating the eggs and sugar until it's light in color and puffy in texture. Now you can add in vanilla essence and beat for a few minutes. It's time to incorporate our dry ingredients in 2 batches on a medium speed. Take a separate saucepan and combine milk and butter until it's first boil. Take it off the heat and beat the batter once again. Now you can pour hot milk gradually in it. Give it a good whisk using a RFAQK spatula. Divide the batter into 2 8-inch pans and bake for 45 minutes. Before jumping into cake baking, let me introduce you to RFAQK's 100 pieces cake pan set. In this set, you will receive or until the toothpick comes out clean. And there you have it, a perfect moist and melt-in-mouth textured cake. Dust with powdered sugar and enjoy! Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out any video from our site.